As of right now, XRP is the first digital currency that is backed by gold. In fact, Swiss Gold, one of the world's gold suppliers, started taking XRP as payment for all gold prices. That's not all. Since Ripple shared that information when they opened Ripple Singapore, the first company to use Ripple XRP Gold as a backing for their stablecoin. If you guys didn't see this a few years ago, Ripple started a company called Ripple Singapore. Today, gold hit an all-time high of over $2,500, which means that XRP is likely to start doing the same thing and start going up in price. All of this is crazy because it's something that's been planned for years, but is only now starting to come together, like with Swiss Gold and a possible relationship between Swiss Gold and Ripple Labs. This also comes at a very important time because banks are starting to use XRP for credit cards and loans, which could cause the price of XRP to go up to $10,000 or more. While I'm not confirming anything, I do think this is a very interesting story that was broadcast. This is a broadcast from Wall Street that projects the prices of digital assets in these three cryptocurrencies by 2025. It says that XRP will be worth more than $8,033, Ethereum will be worth about $43,000, and Bitcoin will be worth about $950,000. Keep these numbers in mind because they are very interesting and could happen with the huge growth of XRP. As we move forward, we need to let everyone know about our huge XRP offer. Yes, we're going to give everyone who watches this movie XRP for free. To get in, all you have to do is click the like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to get alerts. Without a doubt, this is a great chance for you to get XRP for free. You must also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll be using a huge gift winner on those sites, so don't forget to do that again. Press the like button, invite your friends and family to subscribe to the channel. Share this movie, and now let's get to it. As part of NBAD's pledge to customer service, we wanted our customers to get the best service and turnaround times. Our users came to us and asked, how can we make these things better in terms of turnaround time, and how can we make turnaround time better these days? It takes anywhere from 1 to 3 days to make the payment. When that happened, we started to think of new ways to improve our customers' turnaround times, Chain as a tool, and Ripple as a company that can make it happen. So that's where the idea came from. Yes, the problem we were mainly thinking about at first was how to link our branches together. That's why we're in so many places. There are a lot of us. So how can we fix the problem when a customer sends money from our NBAD UA account to, say, NBAD Oman? And how can we pay them almost instantly to the winner? And customer service levels rise from start to finish. Customers are pleased. That's the business case we chose when we looked at our compliance. Everyone was fine with looking at internal branches and connecting them, which is how we did our test. I believe that making a business case shouldn't be a big deal. You need to look at certain issues or problems that all of your partners are comfortable with. They know what's going on. There is a customer problem that needs to be solved, and they should know that this will help the company as a whole. So there needs to be a clear return on investment, what we call a innovation coefficient, and a promise to your customers. You also need to show your users what's possible. That's why NBAD has been working with our big corporations to show them how going live on their system can help them in every way. And we're working closely with the providers to find ways to make things run more smoothly, cut costs, and help the customer. That's where the business case comes from. It's very important that everyone involved is on board with this and knows why we're doing it. That's where the business case comes from. As soon as we did the pilot, we saw some early effects within the organization. The team thought about what would be good about this if it was done right. Everyone inside the company could see how important it is and what benefits they would get once we started explaining it to clients. But money is what it's really worth. The real test will be how quickly and well you serve your customers, which hasn't been proven yet. I am sure that this will show the benefits we first thought of as part of our case. Our internal partners have begun to picture the outcomes and things are going really well. They can see the benefits, but since this is just a pilot, we can go back and change things. When the real-time system goes live, I think internal stakeholders will believe in this too, and general customer service will be better. How well we can do this will depend on when we go live and how the customers like it. However, this has not yet been proven, but I am sure that we will reach the goal we set out in our business plan, $8,000 for every XRP. JP Morgan thinks so too, since they're going to start taking XRP for mortgage and credit card payments. Here's what it says in a big change for the world of cryptocurrencies. JP Morgan Trades says it will now take XRP for deals on credit cards and mortgages. Customers will be able to pay for things with XRP and get cash back through the XRP lender system. The crypto trading fund CTF will use CTF coins for this. People who use XRP to buy things or pay for things at participating stores, both online and off, can get CTF tokens as a prize. You can buy things with these tokens or sell them for real money to get cash back. People think that the value of CTF tokens could go up between $0 and 72 cents and the opposite of $198 because there aren't many of them and people expect a lot of people to want them. It's crazy, and it shows that the XRP record is getting a lot of thoughts. And of course, the more attention the XRP loan gets, the more valuable XRP is, since there isn't much of it. And a lot of people want it. Not only does JP Morgan accept XRP as payment for credit cards and loans, but so does Wells Fargo. Here it is again. Wells Fargo has officially accepted the use of XRP to settle loan and credit card payments. This is a big change in how traditional banks are accepting digital currencies. Customers can now pay off their debts with XRP and also get cash back through the XRP ledger system, which is a crypto trading one CTF. This move opens up a lot of options for them. When you use XRP to pay at participating businesses, you'll get CTF tokens as a reward. You can use these tokens to buy things online or in shops, and they have real value because they can be exchanged for cash. They work like cash back. Since there aren't many CTF tokens left, the huge could go from being worth 72 cents now to an amazing $498. Again, the fact that banks are now officially moving towards the XRP ledger is crazy. And we started to see this change right after the Ripple licensing lawsuit ended. Since then, more and more banks have chosen to join the XRP blockchain. Not only XRP is being used, but also the XRP ledger system, which is why we chose to learn more about it in depth. The crypto trading fund is the XRP ledger's payment system at its core. Not only is it used on the XRP ledger expirator, but it's also used in a lot of other places. Right now, it's up a huge 3%, meaning there is very little supply and a huge demand. As you can see from the charts, we told you that there would be a pump-out retracement and a massive breakout, which is expected to happen. In fact, it's happening right now. This is the phase, and I personally predict it will happen. But don't get too excited. Enjoy your research. By the end of August, there will be a huge upward trend for the CTF token that could break all-time highs. A lot of experts have said this, so it's not really my words. It's what a lot of people on Twitter have been saying. In fact, because there's only 120 million total supply, which is nothing. And if we compare this into, for example, XRP, which is 100 billion, or XLM 50 billion CTF only has 120 million, which is, again, absolutely nothing. And it really shows you the massive and decentralized changes en masse. Marketing and paying, there's a lot that could potentially happen. In fact, that they're the first ever blockchain-generated passive income rewards framework. And you can check them out. There's a lot of information. They have a find out more section on their website, which I definitely recommend you actually watch, because there is a lot of detail and it's all about the utility and framework. And in my personal opinion, there's a ton of utility in the CDF token on the Accept ledger and on the Polygon chain. And there is a very cool system that they have, which is why I decided to get in. I'm looking for things with a lot of potential. Is now playing a significant role in trade talks between two BRICS nations, India and the UAE. India's first deal with the UAE was for crude oil, but it was done in local currency instead of the US dollar. The deal works with a widely used Lunda system crypto trading fund CTF. This lets people who use the system get cash back in the form of CTF coins. We told everyone earlier this week about a big relationship between the UAE and the United Arab Emirates. In a press statement, the company announced a partnership with the Dubai International. They said that working together would speed up the development of blockchain and digital assets. But guys, this post is again about the XRP token and the XRP ledger system, the crypto trading fund that lets customers get CTF tokens back as cash. The webpage for the crypto trading fund is one of the links I'll put in the description, which you can see below. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or funding firm. I just want to show you some information that you can find on both the Palanca chain and the XRPL, but I do want to show you this video of Ripple working with the National Bank. In it, Mr. Raman Kuba, who works for the National Bank of Abu Dhabi, talks about how NBAD is using Ripple's technology to meet customer demand for cross-border payments. He basically says that the XRP launcher will make all the money in the Middle East easier to move. Let's play the movie.